I traveled to UK. When the child is born, from birth to 18, the child is paid. Children get money past people who don't work, and they've never worked in their life. From the day you are born, your government is owing you. Nigeria. From the day when they born you, they owe the country. You are a debtor from birth. That's why I go say for Nigeria people they get hot temper from birth because they owe the country. That's why to ask person address for road for Nigeria, everybody get hot temper. That's why to address, you just want to ask how to reach Admiralty. You go to see the face they boil. Now you go to tell the person, please, hello, please, sir, please, how do I? You go to beg, you go put please. Because when you doesn't mean you know put please, you just go me, hello, what? Nigerians the best. You go UK, they don't a big thief for UK because they pay them money. They won't know why they're going to stealing. You don't beat it, they will arrest you. Nigeria, with a beat two thief until they resemble twins. Nigeria, for UK, if dog bite you, they will pay you money. Say dog bite you. They will call the person who get the dog. So why did you bring the dog as a domestic animal? This and that. Nigeria, person dog will pursue you from here to Songotedo. I ain't gonna see they tell you. I tell you, say they bite. You don't know. You don't know, say they bite.
No jokes. Nigeria is still the best country on the surface of the earth. But we were in UK. Me and M.O.P and M.O.P, we go UK. When I saw the UK passport, I shocked. If you see what they write for the passport, the UK passport, you go shock. And that passport, anywhere you say, read them. Our Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and require that in the name of Her Majesty, all those who it may concern, to allow to pass, the bearer to pass freely. Now, if you hold the passport, any embassy when you did, you go waka pass. Nobody go stop you. He said, without let or hindrances, nobody. And he goes say, and to afford the bearer such assistance and protection as may be necessary. Now, if you did the embassy or anywhere and you did stranded, you can walk to any of the immigration and say, give me £100. They will give you. Yeah. I don't say you never go, don't worry. People when they go, they tell you. They will give you. This passport, now when the queen did, when the king come enter, the same thing. Check your mind, sir. Sir, he said, His Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and request. You know, sir, everything the same. You don't see our Nigerian passport. I beg, give me the other mic. You don't see our Nigerian passport. Go and get the other mic. Phonesies. Okay, who are you? Give me the other mic. Yeah. Make more than see on our passport. Chill. Okay, who are you? Talk to me now. Person when don't travel, they talk to you. Can you behave yourself? Billionaire is talking to you. Come on, be a man. Are you mad? Who are you? Take mic. Talk to me. I be cutting so you the crazy. Don't know where I come from. Nah joke. Who are you? Take. Read them for me. No, I want me to see something. No, now be the same. Okay, now go school. Oh, sorry. Okay, you know someone big man there, but one person a driver. Sorry. No. My bad. Sorry, bruv. You good, bruv? Cool, bros. Fuck you. Baba, you there, Chris? Are they talk to people? They come back. Okay, you want me to notice you? Oh, lamb. No, this one not be like who go school. Don't worry. No, Baba, wait. On the serious note, take. Read that. You don't fear to read. Take. Read that for me. Oh, lamb. Read. Oh, yeah. From the top. On a Nigerian passport. Yeah, from the top.
This passport remains.
No, from the top. Read me the year you wear.
Caution.
You the year on a Nigerian passport. Caution. They first threaten you. You see on a country. They threaten you. Caution. Put the UK on first. Put the UK on first. See what they're like. His Britannic Majesty. You say. Read on our own.
This.
From the top again.
Caution.
Threaten you. If you misbehave, they'll beat you. Continue.
This passport remains the property of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Pause. You say, passport when you use your money to, they tell you that federal government I get them. If you misbehave, bring her back. Continue.
And might be withdrawn at any time.
You the hear her. Anytime you misbehave, bring our passport, submit them. You are mad. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way.
Wait. Then they perform. You wait.
Jesus.
Hey, quiet. Hello, continue your performance. Continue again. Fuck you. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way or allowed to pass into the possession of authorized person.
Did that finish?
If lost or destroyed, the fact.
Wait. Talk that again.
If lost or destroyed.
You there, because they know say we get hot temper, we fit destroy them if you provoke. Continue. What did they worry this one? Are they work you, they laugh? Are you mad? Am I playing here? Continue.
Alright, it said if lost or destroyed, the fact and circumstances should be immediately reported to the passport office, Abuja, or the arrest Nigeria.
What did they worry?
So far, they this country. When I hear the one we happen for worry now. Cultists enter bush, go do initiation, headsmen kill all of them. Nothing will never happen for this country. For ain't no good and kidnap DPO na vigilante saver. For Port Harcourt, Father Christmas they share gifts to children and thief in phone. The Nigerian news they tire me. For Ekiti, I've been waiting. Pastor go meet native doctor for spiritual power. Native doctor use pastor do sacrifice. The news too much. The problem everywhere. I don't know what we are going to do. When I don't see the one we happened recently, Taribo West, where they pray for Tinubu. He speak in tongues, so they Rekabaya, I see you taking Nigeria, Rekabaya. Tinubu they look at us. How much I give this guy? Only 1 million. If I bring up bullion for this guy, go put judge for me. This man, Okocha guesses. Okocha, when I give a microphone to talk, you know say Nigerians they look. You know say we they take them like legend. My brother, poverty no be anybody mate. When you get the kind of money they will give you, you go worship. When I give Okocha microphone, now Okocha say, we know the journey is tough. I wish you good health. I wish you good health because what you need now is health, sir. I love you, Pashun.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.